So, how about managing some roles in Power BI? We are using Power BI to do some reporting, and I have imported here the UK data in the background, and we want to use a default and the DAX editor to manage some roles. And let's just jump right into the topic. We have here the industry, country, and the city, and some jobs, something else. So, if you want to, for example, have some different roles about, you have one role which is only seeing your civil engineering, and then you have one role that is only seeing, for example, the city of Swansea or Aberdeen. So, if you want to do this, you can go to the modeling tab and here see manage roles. And I have prepared already the Aberdeen role, and we have here, for example, the UK data, and then we just put here city and then equal and then Aberdeen, and then we can just save this as a role. And the next one would, for example, be the industry is let's say industry with an F. Okay, industry with an F. So we would use rules and then industry, and then here, for example, you have some options is less than, does not equal, and not in, and is empty, is not empty, is less than, is not blank, is greater than. So we don't see here, for example, is with an F. So what we will do, we will just switch to the DAX editor, and here we have some multiple multiple customization possibilities, and you now know, just need to know how is the function in the DAX, because this is the DAX editor here, the DAX editor. And so this is DAX editor, and you now find out about the industry with F. So let's just find out industry with an F. So contain, maybe contain string. Yeah, perfect. So contain string. We have it in industry. You can here just do like this, and then within the text is the find text, and then an F. And this is, I think, just it. So we can save. Click here, save. And this is an industry with an F. So we successfully applied these changes. So if we now just view as Aberdeen, then we just see here Aberdeen, and it should be that we don't see Swansea anymore. Yes, it's true. We don't see it anymore, and we have here, for example, now the industry with an F. So I'm now curious to see, okay, there's all manufacturer here, for example, this, in head offices, in metallic and paper products, financial services. So you see, it has worked, and this is kind of the power of using the DAX over the usual query view, the default editor, because you couldn't do this in the default editor. So yeah, this has been it. Thank you for your patience in this Power BI, and we will take a look more into detail in the following sessions. Thank you very much. Bye.